so tiny. I wish I could show you how tiny he is. It's so cute.
Hi guys.
Hi, Aaron. So we're going to show you guys some inflatables that we got.
From at home.
So we got these from At Home. One of them was, I think, $39 and the other one was $15. I don't know. I'll put the prices on the screen. Which one are you going to open first? This one is a little bit different than the Santa Stop Here sign. It is a little mailbox that has like mail sticking out. Alright, let's see what it looks like when you take it out of the package. Oh, there it is. Super cute. So we are going to attach the plug and then plug it in. There it goes. So here you can see this inflatable is 3.5 feet tall.
Yeah, it's bigger than me.
It's like perfect size of like a real mailbox. Alright, there it is. So on the front it says Letters to Santa. And it has the little swirly pole.
That's mail.
And it has some mail in there. Let's see it from the front. You can see only the mail from this angle. Looks like some stamps. So cute. Here is the back of it. Let's turn it around. And there you can see where the light is. And also the plug, the fan, sorry. Alright, so let's, what should we do? Move it to the side? We're going to move it to the side so we can open the other inflatable. So we'll put it right there. Alright, so this one is the super cute snowman family that we got.
Yeah, we never got this one.
No, we don't have one like this.
So we have to buy it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's like a bigger one. Yeah, it's like bigger than that one, but it's bigger. Looks similar.
Alright, so this one is supposed to be 4 feet tall. We're going to see how big it looks all three together. The three snowmen, I mean. Alright, so let's put the plug on and then we'll plug it in. Ooh, there it goes. A little bit of a delay had me nervous.
There's the mom.
There's the mom.
Yeah, what's that?
Little tiny baby hanging off of there.
What's Daddy? Why is Daddy very, very...
He's very squashed. Alright. There goes the hat. Oh!
Wait, just wait for the little guy to...
Okay. How cute is this inflatable? Alright, so let's get a closer look at this snowman family. So here you can see this is the daddy snowman. He has a hat on and a red shirt and a scarf. And here's the mama one. She has a Santa hat on. And she has some little eyelashes and a green shirt on. And here is the baby. So the baby is wearing a little blue shirt and a little blue hat. He's so tiny. I wish I could show you how tiny he is. It's so cute. Alright, so here you can see the back of the inflatable. They're kind of hugging in the back. So this inflatable has the anchors here on the side, and
How big is this?
hopefully it has some on the bottom. Yes, it does have some on the bottom, so that's good.
How big is the inflatable?
This one is supposed to be 4 feet tall.
Yeah, but it's like the same size as me.
Yeah.
That's weird.
So it's kind of small, but it is really cute. I mean, look at their cute faces. And look at that baby. Pick him up. He's so cute, right? So the only reason we got this one is because of how cute the baby is, because it's so tiny. Alright, so we're going to show you what these guys look like with the lights off, so you can have an idea of what they'll look like in the yard. Alright. Alright guys, so here is what the inflatables look like with the lights off. Here you can see the letters to Santa mailbox, super cute. And then here are this is the Snowman family. You can see the baby is glowing completely, and you can see their cute little faces from far away.
The body.
And the body, yeah.
It's not glowing, but babies.
Yeah. Alright guys, so here are our two inflatables. Let us know what you guys think in the comments of which one is your favorite, the Snowman family or the mailbox. Which one is your favorite, Erin?
I like the Snowman family. Which one do you like?
I like the Snowman family.
I just like that one.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching.